I find it strange really, no?
Madam Chair.
Parang you are so near yet you're so far.
Madam Chair.
The BIR apparently complied with the subpoena by bringing to us the sealed box. But because of that issue of confidentiality, we cannot open the box.
Isang kahon mula sa Bureau of Internal Revenue ang humati sa opinyon ng mga mambabatas sa isinagawang impeachment proceedings laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte kahapon. Isasalang sa clarificatory question si BIR Commissioner Charlito Mendoza kaugnay ng isinumite nilang tax records ni VP Sara at asawa nitong si Attorney Mans Carpio matapos silang ipasabpina ng Justice Committee. Ngunit kumabig nang sabihing nakasaad sa National Internal Revenue Code na confidential ang BIR documents ng isang individual.
Had the law intends also to include as an exemption impeachment proceeding, then it would have been spelled out clearly in that law. Since nawala po, we cannot interpret and provide our own interpretation doon sa batas na yun, which is clearly wala na po doon.
Kung umabot sa trial sa Senado ito, kahit ang Senate sitting as an impeachment court, hindi nila pwedeng buksan yan kung ganun. Diba? Dahil makitid ang magiging interpretasyon dun sa in aid of legislation.